John Ruth, and I'm the director of the MFA Interior Design program at the School of Constructed Environments at Parsons.
I'm Robert Moorhead of Moorhead, one of the instructors of the course.
And I'm Granger Moorhead, the other Moorhead.
Heather and I met at a Metropolis event. Just at that moment, I was talking with Granger and Robert about leading this studio for all of SCE, which includes students from product design, lighting design, interior design, and architecture, to build some full-scale structure. And the Moorhead brothers were very interested in soft structure and how to explore that. And so it was kind of kismet to meet Heather at that event to bring in textiles.
So Carnegie was really pleased and excited to be part of this program with Parsons. We're the supporter, we're the sponsor. What we did is we just donated all kinds of fabric to them, and the students went wild and were creative and collaborative. So for us, it's really about supporting that creative education. And having this venue at ICFF, we can actually push the course just one step further, and we can push it to the public.
The course was structured to be one that explored fabric and what could be done with fabric in an unconventional way. Hearing that you guys had this great proprietary fabric that you could give us in unlimited quantities was a dream come true. It was this ability to get the students from the first day of class working hands-on with the material. It was a piece that evolved throughout the course of the semester, but didn't stop evolving when it reached the Javits. They literally installed the thing here, and it was a very organic process.
Invaluable experience for them to do something, put it out in the public realm, and have people experience it. You know, that's not something you necessarily normally get to do in a university or in a school educational setting, and so I think that as well is really a great part of this process.
As a group, we did an initial proposal to Carnegie for this concept. I think as a class we had a really wonderful experience working with Carnegie. For a number of us, it was our first time working directly with a client for an installation in a fair like this. We drew on the strength of the actual Xorel and the structure given to it by the paper backing.
It's unlike most of fabrics. It's a very structural material.
This blue form comes from printing onto the paper backing of the wallpaper, and then it comes through the translucent Xorel. And so we basically fold that and we create this module, and in the folds right here you get this kind of the light coming over the surface of the Xorel, and at certain angles it's actually quite sparkly.
Another goal was to play around with the lighting and how the lighting comes inside this private area, which generates like different kind of patterns based on this, the intensity of the light and just how the organic or environment is.
I'm very interested in clarity and structure, and this project allowed me to really explore that because every connection performs one duty, and it's very clear what it's doing.
A lot of design is you draw it and somebody else builds it. And this I think was a great embodiment of collaborating when you get multiple disciplines, and when you bring them together there's a richness of approach which is really special.